Oh, okay. I see you ready to get those 1,000 subscribers. And if you already monetized, I see you trying to run that subscriber count up. Let's go. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to give you a little secret. Well, it's not a secret. I have spoken on this several times, but I'm just going to run it back one more time just in case some of you guys haven't heard about it, or if you have heard about it, you haven't done it. So I'm gonna reel you in. I'm gonna try to reel you in. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Have you heard of YouTube advertising? Comment down below if you have heard about YouTube advertising. So if you're not familiar with YouTube advertising, it's a legal way to promote your videos. YouTube allows you to promote your videos. As you can see, it says YouTube advertising, which means YouTube allows, which means your channel will not get demonetized and everything will be great. So let me go ahead and say this. It does cost. Anytime you promote anything, you know it costs. But the good thing about it is you can start off with $5 a day. So how it works is you pick a video that you would like to promote, you input it into YouTube advertising, you put the amount of money that you would like to pay per day, per week, per month, and your ad will run. It will let you know how broad your audience reach will be, which is great. Now, I'm gonna be honest, when I first started out, I did try $5. The audience was not that broad, but it was enough for me to get subscribers. So let me tell you my story. I tried YouTube advertising last year. I was iffy about it because I really didn't know too much about it, but I did a little research and I tried it out. I did mine for $5 a day for a week. And I gained 500 subscribers in 1 week. Kid you not, 500 subscribers. And I still have those subscribers because those subscribers come from watching my video, which they really enjoy. It's a real audience. It's people who watch YouTube every day. You're just promoting a video to them and it's getting to them quicker. So you will get real subscribers, you will get real likes, and you will get real comments. Let me speak on those comments really quick. Sometimes those comments are good and sometimes there's trolls in the comments. There will be a lot of trolls in your comments. You can block them, leave them, tell them how you feel, but there will be trolls. Because remember, not only is the audience reach to people that are interested in your content is looking, it's also trolls. It gets to the trolls too. For some reason, it seems like it gets to the trolls quicker than your interested audience. I just don't know. But I gained 500 subscribers in a week for $5 a day, guys. You can literally run your subscriber count up. Now, let me say this, the watch time hours that you receive from promoting your video do not go towards your 4,000 watch time hours. Yeah, I know. It doesn't go towards your 4,000 watch time hours, but you get subscribers and you also get people to watch your other videos that's not under promotion and you will get those watch time hours. So it's basically a win-win. But I want to repeat, if you're not monetized, you will not get those watch time hours. They will not count towards your 4,000 watch time hours. But like I said, if those same people watch your other videos, then it will count. But the one that's under promotion will not. I want to make this clear because I didn't make it that clear last year. And a lot of people were saying, I thought I was going to get watch time hours. No. And I should have been more clear about that, and I apologize. But they did say it's cool because they receive subscribers. So if you're on this video right now and you have done YouTube advertising, comment down below how many subscribers did you get, because you're guaranteed to get subscribers. You're guaranteed to get views. You're going to get views. But you have to watch out for the trolls. Those trolls be trolling because that's their job. They have nothing else to do. So here's the website right here. Take a moment to look at it. Now, once you get in there, it'll ask you to pick your video. You pick your video. You can also pick what states you would like, what age group, female or male. Like, you can really get exactly what you're looking for. Like, let's just say you do makeup and you want a certain age group, you want all women. And if you have a specific city that you know rocking with you, you can put all those specifics in and it'll send it straight to those people. And that way, you know for sure your subscribers are real. They're subscribing because they love makeup. They love how you're doing the makeup. They're waiting to see your next video. Like I said, if you're not monetized, you won't get the watch time hours for that, but you can get them to watch your other content that will add the watch time hours up. Now, make sure you pay attention when you're putting your credit card information in, because you need to make sure that you put the amount that you want and the day that you want it to end, because if you do not put an end date, it will just run consecutively. It will run, which I mean, it's good because you'll get more views and you'll get more subscribers, but your money, your check running up, your tab is running up. So be very, very careful. Make sure you put an end date. If you wanted to ride out, baby, you got the funds to play around. But me, I had to put an end date. So please, please, please don't forget to put an end date. And also try not to make it so compact. And what I mean is, like, try to open up your audience a little bit, because it'll let you know as you're plugging things in about how you want your video to be sent around to the world. It'll let you know how many people will see. So the less requirements that you have, the more people will be able to see your content. It just depends. So you do what you do what's best for you, but you are guaranteed to get subscribers. You are guaranteed to get views. And if you're monetized, you're guaranteed to get views, okay? It works, it works, it works. Oh yeah, let me add this in as well. There will be a $50 hold. When you first sign up, there will be a $50 hold to make sure that it's your bank and that the funds are available. You will get that back between 1 and 3 days. Just depends on when they verify everything. But it is a $50 hold. If you don't feel comfortable, I didn't feel comfortable at first, not for real. So I used a little debit prepaid card and put the money on there, and it worked that way. But please, please, please make sure you put an end date, because I don't want you mad at Sin. Sin don't want you mad. I don't want you mad because you didn't ring your money up because you didn't put an end date. But you will be happy about the subscribers, but you're going to be mad at your money. I don't know. Just please make sure you put an end date, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.